Hi, my name is Arnaud, Conen Systems, and we are here at the ISE 2023. I want you to present one of our products out of the Conen mount series. It's a product especially developed for classrooms. It comes with a lot of features. It can be used as an electrical height adjustable product or manually operated. If it's manually operated, instead of motors, we have counterweights inside the columns. One of the other unique features on this product is that it has whiteboard wings. We also produce the whiteboard wings in our factory. You can close those, the screen is protected, and you can use it as a normal board, a normal classical blackboard. So this is a typical product for classroom use. If you want more information on this product or one of our other products, please visit our website at www.conensystems.com.